welcome to What's in the Shop with Dustin. Today we're going to talk about something that's in our shop all the time. Little things that never get inspected properly, such as wheel bearings and brake shoes. Today we're going to learn more about those. So it's really crazy to think that a wheel bearing, small enough to fit in the palm of my hand, helps hold the wheel on and it carries all the weight of the trailer. So here's a breakdown of the wheel hub assembly. Primarily we're focusing on the outer wheel bearing and the inner wheel bearing and the wheel bearing seal. When the wheel bearings are properly lubed, this is what allows the hub to spin freely on the axle. So during our service, we're going to inspect the brakes and the bearings for wear or damage. We're going to clean and repack the wheel bearings and replace the seals. We're going to clean and adjust the brake shoes and test the operation. We're going to adjust the air pressure and torque the wheels to specs. The answer is simple. Without them, you cannot support the weight of the trailer. Proper maintenance ensures that the trailer wheels spin freely without any hindrance. Neglecting your wheel bearings can cause them to leak and ultimately deteriorate the brake shoe linings and thus cause grease in the backing plates and on the magnet surfaces. It is very important that we do a wheel bearing pack in order to check the brake shoes and the drums and to make sure that your unit is safe while driving. So this maintenance should be performed every 12,000 miles or 12 months, whichever comes first. Thank you so much for watching What's in the Shop.